Welcome back, garden enthusiasts! Today we're sharing eco-friendly pest control solutions to protect your garden naturally. Let's get started. Eco-friendly pest control is better for the environment and safer for your plants, pets, and family. Common garden pests include aphids, snails, slugs, caterpillars, and spider mites. Here are some organic solutions to keep these pests at bay. First, neem oil spray. Mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil with 1 teaspoon of mild soap in a quart of water. Spray weekly. Next, garlic and chili spray. Blend 10 garlic cloves and 2 hot peppers with 1 quart of water. Strain, add soap, and spray every few days. Also, diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle around plants to dehydrate pests like slugs and snails. And finally, the beer trap for slugs. Fill a shallow dish with beer and place it in your garden. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory beetles to control pests naturally. Plant flowers like marigolds, dill, and yarrow to attract them. Companion planting is effective for managing pests. For example, marigolds deter nematodes, and basil repels aphids and mosquitoes. Use natural repellents to protect your garden coffee grounds. Repel slugs and snails. Eggshells. Create a barrier that slugs and snails avoid. Herbs. Mint, rosemary, and lavender repel pests. By using these eco-friendly pest control solutions, you can protect your garden naturally while maintaining a healthy environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!